Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I welcome you again to an interesting video. Here we are going to teach you how to get some more creative. So just get your colorful sheets ready and make these cute butterflies. Now here, get a beautiful lovely shape of a flower and then you have to turn them up and get the eyes pasted. You have to get the fidget spinner made. Pretty cool, right? Now what we have to do, you just have to get the balloon shape and now you have to just pour some of them together inside crumbs of sheets, that two colorful one. Now here you have to get the sheet, get them folded and wrapped in this position and you have got beautiful fishes like this. Further you have to just wrap the paper inside and then get the sheet folded in this manner and your cute carrots are ready. Further here you have to get the sheet. Now just paste all of them together and make a frog. Here you have, with the help of these sketches, you have to make it in this form and get it in the shape like this. Your scenery is epic. Now here also get the sheet, get them folded along the sides and then further what you have to do, just open them up and get them secured and converted in this position. Isn't it pretty? Get them secured in this position and let's see what are we gonna do out of this. So further, just have to get them pretty short and make these flowers beautifully curved in this position and get the butterflies created, right? Now here get the sheet, then you have to fold them up in this manner and get them beautifully attached and arranged in this way. Now get them inside and then you will end up getting a phone cover, a holder of phone like this. Now here you have to get the sheet, get them beautifully attached in this manner and this is yet ready, right? Further here, you have to get the sheet, get them into this position and get them beautifully attached in this manner. Then from one over the other, you have to do it like this and get them made into this position. Further here, just wrap them up and get them together made into this form. And this is gonna look super amazing, right? And these are cool. Further here, what are we up to? Get them folded in this way and get them arranged like this and this is gonna look super amazing, right? Now here get the sheet, just fold them up through the other side and with the help of Fevicol you need to paste it inside and tuck them inside in this manner to make it look like this. Further here, get the eyes pasted in this way and this is gonna look amazing. Now you have to get the peels of oranges in this manner and get them arranged in this way. Now what we have to do here, get a sheet, you have to get them into the shape of a flower, get them beautifully attached and pasted in this manner and now here you have to get these butterflies pasted in this manner, make the antennas and all and this is gonna look super amazing, right? Now here also you have to get a sheet and now further you have to fold them from the corners and get them arranged in this position. From the middle you need to tuck them up and get them arranged like this and this is amazing.